Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the daily time frame. It's been a while since I've done this one, and I actually wanted to do it yesterday because the price was sitting at a very important level, which I'll talk about here in a second. And today the price actually gapped down below it, which wasn't a good move at all. However, the bulls made a very nice bounce, creating this nice green candle here. And the big thing about that bounce is all in regards to that level that I wanted to talk about in yesterday's video, right here at basically the $1.39 mark. If you go back through the history of the chart, you can see this area acted as support a couple times back in early April, and then more recently a whole bunch of times. The price has been hovering right around that area. And then, like I said, the price did actually gap down below it. So on the day, opened down here, but with the nice strong, move on the bulls part, it was essentially all up from that point, and the price managed to get back up above $1.39. So that was a good recovery on the bulls part. But just from an overall chart perspective, $1.39 is a very important level of support because, really, if the price cannot hold above there, then technically speaking, the next level of support would not be until down around the $1.27 mark. Now, am I saying that within 2 days the price is going to be at $1.27? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that when you're looking at the chart here from a space perspective, there is quite a bit of space right here where the price could pick up some bearish momentum and get down there kind of sooner than what you would think. But again, by no means am I saying if the price closes below there, then within a day it'll be down there. But overall, technically speaking, that's kind of the main thing to keep an eye on is $1.39 is that shorter term level of support. So a good move on the bulls part to get back up above it. But in the event that level cannot hold, then yeah, it would not be shocking at all to see the price potentially drift down to the $1.27 mark. On the flip side of the coin, where the levels of resistance at, that's all pretty straightforward right now. It's all about that famous 50-day simple moving average right there, that purple line. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-day moving average, and you know that when the prices blow it, it does tend to act as resistance. So in the event of any sort of bounce, this will definitely be that key level that needs to be not only broken up above, but then maintained above after the price gets, up above it, in the event that actually happens. So, rough open for sure. Nice recovery on the bulls part. We'll see if they can build on this momentum and maybe, get some closes up around $1.50 tomorrow to close out the week. So we'll see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.